We've invested in this plant to shorten our supply chain lead times. We've invested in this plant to ensure product availability. We've invested in this plant to make Kohler a more resilient Kohler.
This new production facility and its importance on the West Coast of the United States is critical as we advance our business and create a better level of service and logistics for all our customers across the West Coast of the United States. And we're committed as an organization to continue to build, to continue to pioneer, continue to design leading edge products, and to continue to build an organization of great people to provide excellent service to you every day.
We are 150 years old, and throughout our history, one of our core values has been to make the world a better place than we found it. That means being positive stewards to the planet and the communities where we live and work. So today is no different. And this new manufacturing facility right here in Casa Grande is our largest in North America, and it is an example of just that.
Today, Arizona is a recognized hub of excellence for manufacturing, innovation, and sustainability, all of which are strengthened by the addition of Kohler's new state-of-the-art facility. This impressive facility would not have been possible without the hardworking Arizonans in construction and trades who consistently keep our economy moving and show that if you have a vision, we're here to see it through.